Hello everyone, my name is LUTFI ISKANDAR and together with my group, we are from Group 5 from HP3. Today we will be presenting about augmented reality and visual reality, also known as AR and VR. Let's begin with augmented reality. AR adds digital elements to our real-world environment. It doesn't replace reality, but it enhances it. A common example is Pokemon Go, where virtual creatures appear in your actual surroundings. In education, AR can make textbook diagrams come alive, giving students an interactive way to learn. Now moving on to virtual reality. VR is quite different from AR because it immerses you completely into another world. Instead of adding digital layers to your environment, it transports you into a brand new space. With VR headsets, people can walk on the surface of Mars, explore the ocean, or even practice medical surgeries, all without leaving the room. And now, to give the formal definition, virtual reality is a fully immersive technology that creates a simulated digital environment, replacing the real world entirely. Using VR headsets and motion sensors, users are transported into a computer-generated space where they can explore, interact, and experience environments as if they were real. In short, AR enhances reality while VR replaces it. Together, these technologies are transforming the way we learn, work, and experience life.
Next up, I'm going to explain about augmented reality, or in short, AR. AR is a technology that overlays different digital information, such as images, sounds, or 3D models, onto the real-world environment, enhancing what users can see and interact with. It combines virtual elements with physical surroundings in real time, often through smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses. Next, we're going to delve deep into the history and background of AR and VR. Starting off, in the mid-1950s, Morton Heilig built the Sensorama, an immersive multimedia arcade cabinet featuring the 3D visuals, sound, vibration, and even smells. Next, in 1980, Steve Mann develops wearable computing, a precursor to augmented reality. Next, in the 1990s, commercial VR experiences such as those from virtual reality arcade games emerged but are short-lived due to high hardware costs. And in 1992, Thomas Calder coins the term augmented reality and develops the HUD set, the first true AR system used by the Boeing workers. Next, in 2010, Paul Mulaki creates the prototype for the Oculus with VR headset, which sparks renewed interest in the consumer VR after a Kickstarter campaign. And finally, in 2013, Google Glass provides a glimpse into the widely available AR devices, although it was a limited release. And next, I'm going to explain about the applications of AR and VR. So there's in three fields where AR and VR can be used, such as education, healthcare, and entertainment. Let's start off with education. Augmented reality and virtual reality provides interactive 3D models in textbooks and AR flashcards. Next, in healthcare, AR provides surgical overlays and anatomy visualization. And virtual reality provides therapy for phobias and surgery simulations. And finally, entertainment. AR provides AR filters, games like Pokemon Go, and VR provides immersive VR games such as concerts and movies.
I'll now explain the advantages and future trends of augmented reality and virtual reality. Starting with augmented reality, its biggest strength is that it enhances the real world by adding digital elements like images or 3D models. Unlike VR, it doesn't replace reality, it builds on it. Another advantage is accessibility. AR works on devices most people already own, such as smartphones or tablets. It makes learning more interactive and engaging, and it also has very practical uses in shopping, navigation, and healthcare. For virtual reality, the key advantage is full immersion. It places users inside a completely new environment, making it excellent for safe training. For example, doctors or pilots can practice complex tasks without real-world risk. VR is also widely used in therapy to help people manage anxiety or phobias, and of course, it offers unique experiences such as virtual travel, gaming, and attending concerts from anywhere in the world. Looking to the future, AR is expected to expand through smart glasses developed by companies like Apple, Google, and Meta. We might also see online shopping where we can virtually try on clothes or preview products before buying, and classrooms using AR holograms. Meanwhile, VR is moving toward the development of the metaverse, immersive spaces where people can work, study, and socialize. We can also expect VR tourism, where destinations are explored virtually before visiting, and more realistic training simulations for different professions. In conclusion, both AR and VR are no longer just futuristic concepts. They are powerful technologies that are already transforming how we learn, work, and experience the world. Thank you. That's all from us.